Why should I avoid using sum function in Microsoft Excel? For example, in this table, I want to get the total sum of all items. So what I have to do for this? We use sum function here. Is equal to sum, and we selected the range, bracket, close and enter. But if we look at the cells for categories, suppose electronics, the sum value remains the same. Instead, let's use the subtotal function. Is equal to subtotal, bracket open, we can press 9 for sum, comma, reference. We select the range, close the bracket and enter the formula. Now if you want to see the total for category, suppose we select stationery. You see the total based on category you selected. So dear friends, how was the tricks? If you really like this type of video, please comment below. And do not forget to follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.